I'd like to introduce Lars Hederman, the Sales Strategy Manager with Siemens. Lars, Siemens' 6 megawatt next generation offshore turbine features direct drive technology. Could you outline for us, please, the advantages of this technology for future offshore applications?
Absolutely. There are a number of inherent advantages of the direct drive design. So if we start out by looking at the technology in itself, a major advantage of the direct drive is that it has a very simple design. So you could say one of the challenges we're facing when we're looking at geared turbines is that we are having some challenges with the gearboxes from time to time due to a high complexity. So of course over the years this has improved significantly, but going into the gearless design you avoid this thing. Furthermore, of course, you have the advantage that you are looking at a lighter design, so you also get some benefits from the fact that you have a very light turbine, so getting a very low tower head mass. And finally, of course, there is the advantage that you have very high efficiency in this type of drivetrain. So that is kind of the technical advantages. Furthermore, there is the advantage that this technology is no longer new to us. So it's a technology where we have accumulated quite some experience over the years. We installed the first prototype turbine based on direct drive technology in 2008, meaning that we have now more than 5 years of experience using this technology. And that is paramount in the stage we're in right now, where we see in this segment of 5+ megawatt turbines that there are a lot of new technologies being introduced, and hence it is a huge advantage to us that we actually have a lot of experience using this technology.
Excellent. And could you briefly outline what has been learned from testing so far of the 6 meg turbine?
Yeah, absolutely. You are absolutely right. Testing is paramount in order to validate and develop a new technology and make it reliable. The test program for the DD turbine started already back in 2009, where we established the testing of the first direct drive turbines, the 3 megawatts back then. The great thing about the DD design we're applying at Siemens is that it's actually the same conceptual design. So if you look at a 3 megawatt and a 6 megawatt, it's a scalable design. So it basically looks like the same, and all the components, main bearing design, generator design and so forth, it's simply the same, it's just bigger. That means that all the experiences we've accumulated already back in 2009 with the smaller direct drive can be integrated into the 6 megawatt. So many of the lessons we learned, for instance, with bearing design and so forth, with the back in 2009 with the smaller turbine, the 3 megawatt, has been incorporated into the design of the 6 megawatt. Furthermore, if you look at the prototype testing going on in the fields, we have accumulated a lot of very valuable knowledge with these turbines. We have quite a high number of turbines operating in the field. For the 3.0 turbine, we followed 12 prototype turbines, and with the 6.0 we now are ramping up with the 6.0 154 prototype turbines. And one very valuable experience was accumulated last year in the spring, where we at one of the test sites in Denmark experienced a period of not less than 30 hours where the turbine was operating at rated power. And 30 hours operating at rated power really give you some valuable experiences in respect to cooling, for instance, which can be fed back into the R&D. And that's all, you could say, lessons that help to develop and mature the technology.
Very good. Thank you very much.